Tesla app updates stuck at 100% are often due to glitches rather than vehicle issues. Common causes include network instability, app cache buildup, device-specific bugs, and high server traffic during major updates. Common causes include network instability, such as weak Wi-Fi or cellular data connections that can interrupt the update process. App cache buildup from accumulated temporary data can lead to data corruption during updates. Device-specific bugs, particularly on older phones with outdated operating systems, can trigger update stalls. High server traffic during major Tesla updates, when thousands of users are downloading simultaneously, can overload the system. The Tesla app acts as a bridge, initiating and monitoring the update process. If it loses connection or encounters data corruption, the install can stall at 100%. The first and simplest solution is to force quit the Tesla app and restart your smartphone or tablet. On iOS, swipe up from the bottom of the screen or double-click the home button on older models to access the app switcher. Then swipe up on the Tesla app to close it. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, find Tesla and select Force Stop. After force stopping, restart your device and reopen the Tesla app. This often clears temporary glitches that cause the update to get stuck at 100%. A weak or unstable network connection is often the main reason Tesla app updates get stuck at 100%. Let's explore how to ensure your device has a reliable connection. First, ensure your device is connected to a strong, reliable Wi-Fi network. A stable connection prevents interruptions during the update download. Avoid using public Wi-Fi, as it can be less secure and have lower bandwidth. Public networks pose risks like packet sniffing, man-in-the-middle attacks, and malicious hotspots that can interfere with your update. If you're using cellular data, make sure you have a strong signal and haven't exceeded your data cap. Updates can be large, so monitor your data usage to avoid throttling. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular networks to see if one connection works better for the update process. Sometimes, one network may have better compatibility with Tesla's servers. Resetting your network settings on your device can clear any cached network issues that might be causing the update to stick. This refreshes your connection configurations without affecting your data. By following these network troubleshooting steps, you can often resolve the stuck update issue and get your Tesla app working smoothly again. If rebooting and network fixes don't work, try reinstalling the Tesla app. This clears out all cached data and app files, potentially resolving any corrupted data that may be causing the issue. Find the Tesla app on your device and delete it. This removes all cached data and potential corruption. Go to the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android, and search for Tesla. Download and install the app. Open the app and log in with your Tesla account credentials to reconnect your vehicle. Before assuming it's your device, check Tesla's service status. High server load during major software releases, like full self-driving betas or new vehicle launches, can cause delays. Visit Tesla's official website or use third-party services that monitor Tesla's server status. If there's an outage, the issue is likely on Tesla's end, and you'll need to wait for them to resolve it. Advanced troubleshooting involves checking the vehicle's own connectivity. While app issues are more common, sometimes the car's cellular or Wi-Fi signal can cause updates to get stuck at 100%. First, ensure your Tesla has a strong cellular or Wi-Fi connection. This is crucial because updates require stable data transfer. You can verify the connection in the car's settings menu. Navigate to the Controls or Connectivity section on the touchscreen. If the signal strength indicator shows weak bars, try moving the vehicle to an area with better cellular reception or connect to a stable Wi-Fi network. Additionally, ensure the car has sufficient battery charge. Tesla updates may pause or fail if the battery level is too low to prevent power interruptions. To minimize future issues with Tesla app updates, always keep your Tesla app and your device's operating system updated to the latest versions. App updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements that address known issues. App updates provide essential benefits like fixing bugs, improving performance, and enhancing stability. Similarly, operating system updates improve overall device stability and compatibility with the Tesla app. For iOS devices, Enable automatic updates in your settings to ensure you're always running the latest version. For Android devices, set your apps to auto-update at any time in the Google Play Store settings. Enable automatic updates in your App Store settings to ensure you're always running the latest versions and prevent update issues. The future of EV software updates is trending toward AI-driven diagnostics and standardized platforms. Tesla is integrating AI to predict and auto-resolve stuck updates. Industry-wide efforts aim to reduce platform-specific bugs through software standardization. Experts predict a significant decline in update issues by 2030. However, challenges like 5G, 6G network variability, and cybersecurity threats remain.